morning, everybody. It's Saturday. It's dewy outside. We're getting a little bit of mist coming in. We're supposed to get rain both today and tomorrow. We got to sleep in a little bit. Getting ready to make some coffee, so let's start our weekend.
Somebody gotta help me. These children are just absolutely destroying my lifestyle, man. Especially that little one. He just won't leave me alone, you know. Hey, Sailor, where'd the little one go?
He went to go get Legos.
Lego, you say? Mm-hmm. Well, let me tell you a little story about Legos. One time when I was 14, when I carried 7, I got a Lego set from my uncle. And my uncle gave me the Lego and he said, "You play with that Lego?" Hey, where'd you go? You didn't even listen to my Lego tale, little girl. Oh, crap. The little one's back. Hi, Ian. So happy to see you. Not. What's inside of this box? What y'all doing?
Building Legos.
Is it okay if I play with some? Oh, I forgot. I don't have opposable thumbs. I cannot pick up the Lego. Hey, why are you trying to rip my arm off, son? I need that. Don't you understand? I told you. The little one is tearing me apart.
Salem, how did this happen? How did they always end up on me? I just want to watch Superman. I never get to chill out on the couch. You realize that, right?
Yeah.
It's time to put the tree away, guys. You gonna be okay with that? Hershey? Hey, cat, what's this cat's name? All right. You want to come help me?
Coming. I don't know why it's not working. I'm
All right.
sorry. Sucks.
We got to take the tree to Home Depot. We can't just throw it away here at the apartment. Poop!
Ow!
What's wrong? It's a little dry.
Yeah, Laura is very sad. She does not want the Christmas tree to go.
Time to say goodbye to the tree. Goodbye, tree.
Dance party in the kitchen. Break it down, Ian.
Slippery socks helps you dance. Woo!
Do your hip hop moves, Ian. Dance, buddy. Okay, here it comes. Ready?
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. But I'm here to tell you, every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah, my mama, she told me don't worry about your size. She says boys like a little more booty to hold at night.
Wouldn't it be cool if we did this, like, grand opening to the Neverlanders, where there's, oh, sorry, I'm petting his eyeball. What are you guys doing? You holding your kitty kitty?
I love kitty. And her name is Boa.
Yeah.
She stay with me. Don't leave. You need me the eyeball.
It's been such a weird day, guys. It's all rainy and yucky outside. For a Saturday, it's almost 5 p.m. I feel like we've done nothing. Nothing. You have one of those days where it just like sucks, like the day just sucks. You're like, man, no matter what I do, what I say, or how I feel, the day is poop. And that's kind of been what today's been like. If I was honest with you guys, I'd say today has just been a poopy day. So I'm gonna will myself out of that. How do you do it? I'll show you how I do it. I do it like this. Woo! And then I start running. And I go into the kitchen. And then I look at the freezer and I go, no, none of that. Ooh, maybe we can juice. Uh-oh, Ian's crying. What's the matter?
You hit me on the head.
Are you okay?
No.
I'm gonna go beat her up right now. This is how I get out of a funk. I walk over to my daughter.
He jumped.
I get the claw of death. I feel so much better. Suddenly I feel rejuvenated. You know? It's kind of weird. It's like the ship is rocking. What's going on back there? What if we did like a new beginning? You know, like... I think it'd be cool if we had a new opening for the Neverlanders vlog. What do you think? Stop it! I will fight you until the death! Flying! You're flying! Woohoo! When I come down, you gotta be ready like you're going.
Oh, okay.
Did it work? Okay, that's good. That's good. We're waiting for Mommy to return some Redbox movies over at Kroger, and we just determined that Salem is the fart princess and Ian is the booger king. So if anybody would like to challenge the fart princess or the booger king, go ahead. Lay your cards out, people. Come on over to the stinky gross side. Check it out. The water's warm. What would I be? Fart boy too?
No. I would say touch night.
The fart knight?
Yeah, the fart.
I'm the fart knight.
I would say the stinky night.
The stinky knight? Does Daddy smell? Am I the smelly kid in class? It's not me. I'm not that one.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
I got a feeling you're going to be the smelly kid in class. Either that or you'll be the kid that puts boogers on everyone. Ew. Oh, here comes Mommy. We need to hurry. It's raining. I don't want her to walk far. What are we doing? What's with your hair? Is this a corn thing, honey?
No.
Is she trying to be in a alternative rock?
Sam is going to have super wavy hair in the morning for church. There's a ton of braids in her hair. There's
that's
how
a
many
weird
braids?
14 braids.
14 braids in her hair. So in the morning we'll pull them out and her hair will be all.
Whoa! Almost tripped over Ian's shoe.
Look at Snow White's being the peak some more.
All right. Hey. Okay, don't hit the TV. Here, let's look one more time. All right, stop. Such a weirdo. Seriously. Gosh. These kids are so weird. How did I end up with weird kids? How did I end up with such weird kids? Seriously. So weird. Okay, get out of here. Go, give me a hug. Crazy kid. I'll take a kiss too. All right, stop. Go. All right, I just finished editing the new opening for the Neverlanders channel on YouTube, guys. I hope that you like it. I'm so excited to release it tonight. We spent the majority of the day filming and editing this, so I think it came out really, really good. Do me a favor, if you did like it, click that like button right there. In fact, stop the vlog and click that. Go ahead, I'll wait for you. Perfect. That's awesome. If you didn't do it, I feel like a total fool. I hope you paused right at that moment. That would have been perfect. Anyways, guys, a lot of good things coming in 2015. Hope you're doing awesome. We love and appreciate everybody's feedback and just the support we've gotten so far. It's just beginning, guys. Here we go.
Like, comment, subscribe.